Hi there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a TikTok shop. Let's get started. Once you reach your Google Chrome web browser, the first thing that you want to do is go to the search bar and you'll type in seller.tiktok.com and then you're going to press enter. It'll say, welcome to TikTok shop. Please choose the portal you wish to log into. So now there are 3 different options depending on which area you live in around the world. So if you live in Asia, you're going to see it's going to say Asia seller, so 7 regions, and then Europe seller, 3 regions, and then North America seller, 1 region. So I'm going to use North America, for example. So United States seller, and then press enter. So it'll say log in. So you can log in using your phone number and then password. But in my case, I logged in with my Facebook. So once you've logged into your TikTok account, it'll say primary representative. This information will be used for identification and verification purposes. So what you want to do next is upload a copy of your ID. And it says here, files must be less than 5 megabytes in JPEG, PNG, JPEG, or PDF. So no any other format can you use to upload your ID. And it says, make sure the images clearly show all the information on your ID, including signatures. And then once you're done doing that, you're going to go under the heading which says type of ID. You could either upload your US passport or your US driver's license. So I'm going to use the US driver's license, and then it'll say upload your ID. Take a photo of your passport or driver's license. You're going to press on the upload button over here. So it'll say start verification. This process is designed to verify your identity. So we're going to press on the checkbox over here. I consent to Jumio collecting, processing, and sharing my personal information, and then we press start. So upload front of driving license. Upload a colored image of the entire document. Screenshots are not allowed. So JPEG or PNG format only. So you're going to press choose a file. So you're going to look for a copy of your driver's license and then press open. Once you're done uploading your driver's license, you'll be greeted by this page which says, let's get started. Tell us about your business. So under basic information, it'll say business type. So select your business type and then you're going to select individual. You're selling under your own name, not as a registered business. So now under shop name, you need to come up with a business name for your shop. So it says your shop name will be displayed to customers on your shop profile. You may get inspiration from what you are going to sell and your shop style. Once you're done doing that, it'll say user privacy, data accessibility, storage, and processing. In which country and regions will TikTok user data be accessed, stored, or processed? So we're going to choose the United States of America. And then once you're doing that, you're going to go under the heading which says third party or subcontractor. So you're going to select no and then press submit. So after pressing no under the third party or subcontractor heading, you'll then see 2 checkboxes underneath. So you're going to click on both of them, I confirm compliance, and then the other one, I confirm there are no purposes for which TikTok, ... And then once you're done, you're going to press on the purple submit button. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.